Good morning, children. Let us continue solving our question paper of June assessment. We'll continue with our grammar section. Last question that we did was conjunction exercise. Now we'll do another question. In this, the question is complete the following passage by filling in the blanks using the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Children, whenever you are given these type of paragraphs in which you have to fill with the modification of the verbs, that is, first you have to observe the verb given in bracket, then as per the sentence you have to identify that which tense should it be, and accordingly you have to modify the verb and fill in the blanks. Children, most of the times when you have a paragraph in past tense, because whenever anything is being narrated, you can easily identify that it is in past tense. So most of the times these paragraphs may be in past tense, and in that you need to write only three tenses like simple past or simple past or past continuous or past perfect continuous. Children, with the help of a few words in this paragraph, we can identify that this paragraph is in past tense. For example, was, covered, would, held, had. It means this paragraph is generally in past tense. Now let's start filling the blanks. A 3-year-old British girl. But children, listen, that again we have a confusion that this should be in which type of past tense, like simple past or past continuous or past perfect. Children, for past continuous or for past perfect tense, you will always have some kind of tag words or tag phrases. I will explain you how in the next sentence. Now let us do. A 3-year-old British girl reunited is the second form, reunite first form, reunited second, and reunited third. Reunited with her parents after being freed by the kidnappers in southern Nigeria, who dash her for 4 days. Now somebody of you have written who held her. No, children, it has some more appropriate answer. I will show you how. Held cannot be the answer, children. It is wrong. Held cannot be the answer. It is wrong. It has some more appropriate answer, and I will explain you. Now see, whenever we have a paragraph in past tense, we may counter these three tenses: simple past or past continuous tense or past perfect tense, in which most of the time simple past tense dominates the scene. But we can also have past continuous tense or past perfect tense in that paragraph, some at some or the other place. Now children, let's discuss this past perfect continuous tense here, and this is the most difficult tenses. This is the most difficult of all the past tenses. Now let us discuss the main idea here. Now children, let us discuss the main idea of the tense. Now children, what is the main idea of the tense, that is past perfect continuous tense? That some work had been going on, मीन्स कोई काम था जो किसी प्रीवियस टाइम में हो रहा था कंटिन्यूसली, एंड दैट वर्क वॉज बीइंग कंटिन्यूड सिंस एनी प्रीवियस टाइम. It means that the work that was continued, that was being done since any previous time. For example, he had been studying for 2 hours. Or he had been studying since morning. It means that some work was continuously being done in some previous time, and that too since any previous time. For example, what we call in Hindi. In Hindi, it is like वह सुबह से पढ़ रहा था और वह 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा था. Children, many a times I have seen the students writing these kind of silly sentences. He was studying from morning. No, it is totally wrong. Or sometimes some people write he was studying from 2 hours. No, it is again right. We have to strike it off. You write these type of sentences when you are not able to identify that it is not past continuous tense, but it is past perfect continuous tense, the main idea of which is that some work had been going on in some previous time and that work was being continued since any previous time. Children, it is not at all your past continuous tense in which you write like this using from, right? No, you have to write like this, that he had been studying for 2 hours. And the first thing that you need to identify, that main idea of the tense says that some work had been going on in some previous time and that work was being continued since any previous time. And when this type of sentence is there, like वह सुबह से पढ़ रहा था, it means that this is not past continuous tense, but this is your past perfect continuous tense, because in this your timing is there. Two main points are there, children. Let's study the key words or the key idea of this sentence. Only then you will get the main concept.